How to send crypto on Rabby Wallet.
So it's really easy. All you need to do is just log on to your Rabby Wallet application. Once you've signed into your account here, just go ahead and make sure you have some tokens. The tokens being what you're going to be sending and something to cover your gas fees. So how does that work? How does sending crypto on Rabby work? Once you've signed in, click on send here. Make sure you have some cryptocurrency. We're going to be sending from this address, which is our base address, to an address we'll be providing depending on the network we're sending on. So if you click on the drop down for cryptocurrency tokens, you can see all the available networks here, from Arbitrum to Avalanche all the way down to Circuit. Now, all we need to do is just select the network we want to send on. So let's say we want to send on the BNB Smart Chain. So click on the BNB Smart Chain and select the token you'd like to send, which in this case is pure BNB. So click on BNB and then go ahead and enter the address. So we're going to be sending 0.5 BNB, which is equivalent to $200 at the time of recording. And just go ahead and enter the address you want to send it to. So let's just say something like this, and then just go ahead and send and click on confirm, and that's it. Alright guys, that's how you can go about that.